today, I would teach you how to make a very simple marinara sauce.
Oh, beautiful.
What we're going to begin is doing the onion.
All right.
Okay? Now I'm going to add the garlic. Really, really simple. Now we're going to add crushed tomatoes.
Take that.
You can buy them crushed, you can buy them whole. Some fresh parsley, some basil. We'll save some for garnish, and then our Italian spice. That's simple. I'm going to do 2 for you today because it's your lucky day.
Ah.
I'm going to do it with seafood.
Oh, beautiful.
The first thing we're going to do is take some shaved garlic. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add our seafood.
That's a lot of seafood, Chef.
I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper, give it that little heat.
Yep.
And now what we're going to do is we want to steam this a little bit. We're going to add some white wine,
Nice.
fresh parsley, and then what we're going to do is cover our seafood.
We got 2 dishes going on here, and they smell delicious.
Do you know that you can freeze pasta and it tastes just as good as the day when you
Wow.
made it?
Listen,
Yeah.
frozen pasta, we're gonna put it right in the water.
Our frozen pasta right out of the freezer is going to take 50% less time than even box pasta. This entire meal can be made in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I got another surprise for you.
I can't handle another surprise.
While this is cooking, did you also know that this grates vegetables, it grates cheese, and it's very simple to do? Turn it on, and you grate your cheese.
Okay.
You got it. Look at that. Look at the quality of that cheese that's coming out of there. We're going to take a little bit of our spaghetti, which is cooked now.
Look at that.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take our little marinara sauce now. Quick marinara right over our pasta. Doesn't that look great?
That looks delicious.
We're going to garnish it with a little bit of basil. And you're going to garnish it with some of that grated cheese.
Look at that.
Okay, so we'll move that. And now we'll come here, get this pasta now. So now what we're going to do, all of this beautiful seafood, and add that seafood right to
Look at that.
the pasta dish. And if you want to kick it up another notch, you can spoil them.
Oh, now you're spoiling us.
1 sauce, 2 amazing dishes. That looks amazing.
It looks delicious. I'm ready.
Smart girl.
That pasta
Doesn't taste frozen, right?
does not taste frozen. It tastes like we just made it.
You would never know the difference.